Hello viewers, today we are going to deal with a topic called measurement of large distances, NCERT 11th standard physics syllabus. So assume we want to measure the distance from Earth to a particular planet. So assume this is a position of the planet and this is Earth's surface, and AB is the arc length, but since this distance is very far, this assume actually it is curved, but since the distance is very far, it can be viewed as a straight line. Okay, that means basically this is an arc but viewed as a straight line. The method of measuring this distance is called parallax method. Parallax method means if you keep your, say, this chalk piece and view with two eyes, this will be the exact position. But if I close my right eye, when I view from the left eye, this chalk piece has shifted this side, okay, because this side. Similarly, if I close my left eye and view with the right eye, this object has shifted this side. That means towards my left. So there is a shift from the original position. So by this method, suppose if I place an observing plane here, we know the distance between that two points. Okay. So the similar method is employed here in measuring the distance. So this is AB is the arc of length B, small b. The distance between the planet and the Earth's surface is D. So we view from 2 points. Say this is viewpoint 1 and viewpoint B. Theta is the parallax or parallaxic angle, theta. So you all know by basic definition, d theta equal to b. That is this distance, and theta gives the arc length b. Therefore, d is equal to b divided by theta. That means if we know this length, this we are measuring in the Earth's surface. Okay, the distance between 2 points, viewpoints A and B, and theta we can find out. So if we know these two values, then we can always find the distance between the Earth and the planet. So regarding the viewpoint, this is left eye, this is right eye. The parallax method explanation, assume this is the object. If we close viewpoint A, that is left eye, and view with right eye, this arrow will appear here. Okay. Now if we close viewpoint B and view from viewpoint A, that is left eye, this arrow will appear here. But actually with both the eyes, if you view the object, it will be here. Okay. So the distance between these 2 points, there is a shift from the original point. Okay. That is called a parallax. In sometimes measuring instruments, we used to say parallax error, because we should view perpendicularly, but if you view from some angle, you will end up with the wrong measurement. So we call it as parallax error. Okay, so that's all about measurement of large distances. Basically, we are employing the basics of trigonometry to prove this relation. Thanks for watching. Nandri.